Hello and welcome. In this short video, we will see how to use this LED Constructor tool to write your video scripts. So let's get started. So this is the login page of the Constructor or the tool. So if you're coming here for the first time, you need to click on the register button. So after clicking the register button, you'll come to this page where you need to put some information. So first you need to put the full name in the first field. Then you create a username for yourself. Enter the email address in this field. Create a strong password. Enter the subject of the topic that you intend to teach and click on the register button. But since I've already registered for this tool, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on the login button here. I've entered my username and password, and then I'm clicking on the login button now. So this is the home page of the tool. Here you will see two videos. So the first video is to guide you how to write learner-centric video scripts. The second video is basically a navigation tour of this tool. You can use this video to see how to use this tool. If you scroll down, you will see your previous scripts here. Since you will be logging it for the first time, you will not see any scripts here. But after you start creating your scripts, all your scripts will be listed here. Those scripts will be automatically saved in this tool, and you can always open any of your previous script and edit those scripts whenever you want. You will see a button here, write new scripts. Click on that button to start writing new scripts. So I'm clicking on the write new script button. It will take you to this page where you will see some buttons on the top, some text entry field here, and then some more buttons at the bottom. On this tool, writing video scripts is divided into 6 parts or 6 sections. The first section is the title section, wherein you need to put or provide the title for your video. The second section is the introduction section, wherein you need to provide the introduction for your video. The third section or the third step is the objectives part, wherein you need to provide objectives for your video. The next section is wherein you put in your main content. After that, you put the reflection spot question and the reflection spot discussion. Next, you provide the summary for your video, and final step is wherein you will get to preview all your content in one document, and there you will get a chance to edit your content if you want. So here we are in the first stage here, or the first step here, that is we need to enter the video title. So the text here will guide you what to do. So the instruction is we need to write the title for our video. So for each step you need any help, you can click on the help button. For example, if I need help in writing the title, I can click on the help button and it will tell me how to write the title for a video. So I can read through it and then accordingly write the title here. Also, if you want to see an example of the title, I can click on the example button here and it will show me an example of a video title. The previous button will take me to the previous section or the previous slide. The next button will take me to the next step. So let's get started. I am going to write a video script on the topic North and Northeastern Mountains. So here in the text entry field, I am going to put the title of my video, that is the North and Northeastern Mountains. If I need help, I can always click on the help button and see how to write the titles. If I need to see an example, I can click on the example button and it will show me an example of the video title. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the next button So after clicking on the next button, I get a checklist. So you need to read through the checklist. The checklist is there to help you. So all you need to do is read through the checklist and ensure that you mark the check boxes and then click checked. So now I've come to this next section, that is wherein I need to put the video introduction. So here I've already put the video introduction. After that, I'm going to click on the next button. Again, I will select the check boxes in the checklist and say checked. So next, this has taken me to the objective section. So these are the objectives for my video, and I'm going to click on the next button. So in the checklist item, I'm going to select both the items and say checked. Now it should take me to the main section of my content. Here I have put the entire content that I wanted to cover in the video. Here I have put the main content of my video. As always, if I need any help, I can click on the help button, I can click on the example button, but right now I'm going to click on the next button. Say select. I'm checking the checklist point and then saying checked. Okay, now this has taken me to the reflection spot. So I've added a reflection spot question here. If you want, you can add more questions, but right now I just want one question, so I've added that question here in the first box. In the second box, I've added the correct answer and then the discussion why the correct answer is correct. I'm clicking next. Again, I'm getting a checklist. Selected the checklist. Now finally it has taken me to the summary section. So here I have entered the summary for the entire video, and I'm going to click on the next. Checked here. So now it is saying that my video script is ready. I can click on the preview button to view all steps in one document. So I'm going to click on the preview button. So this is showing me my entire script step by step in one document. You will notice the edit button under each section here. So for example, if I want to modify the content, I can always do that. So I can click on the, for example, I can click on the edit button here under the objective section, and it will take me to that section here. And if I make any modifications here, I need to ensure that I need to again click on the next button, select the checklist and then say checked. And from there, I can directly jump to the finalization section using the top navigation bar here. And I can click on the preview here, and that's it. So my new content is added here or modified. And here I have two options. Either I can click on the close button. This way my content will be saved in this tool. If I want, I can download this content. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this content. I've clicked on the download button, and you will see here the script is downloaded. So I'm going to click it, and you will notice that my entire script is ready now in a Word document. So that's it. This is how this tool will help you write effective learner-centric video scripts step by step. I hope this video was useful. If you have any further questions or doubts, please feel free to write me on the email ID given here. Thank you.